So here's a controversial statement. Some of the highest earning doctors make surprisingly poor financial decisions. Being a brilliant specialist does not automatically make you financially successful. Not because you're unintelligent, but because you're busy. Medicine rewards expertise, but finance rewards attention. And those are two very different things. Every day, specialists spend years mastering surgery, radiology, anesthesiology, cardiology, and countless other disciplines. But when it comes to their finances, most of them are making some of the biggest decisions of their lives between the theatre lists, ward rounds, and patient consultations. You don't have a financial problem. You, medical specialist, have an attention problem. And the result? Too much cash sitting in your bank account. Investments that were started but never reviewed. Insurance that no longer matches reality. Tax structures that were never challenged. Practices generating good revenue but creating very little to no long-term wealth. And the dangerous part? From the outside, your life looks successful. The cars, the house, your practice, your income. But the truth is, income is not wealth. Turnover is not wealth. And being busy is definitely not wealth. Wealth is having a structure that turns years of hard work into long-term freedom. And that's why we built Rhythm. Because specialists don't need more products. They don't need another investment pitch. They don't need another provider trying to sell you something. You need a team that can see the entire picture. A team that coordinates your practice, your accounting, your investments, your risk, and your wealth strategy into one system. Because the biggest financial risk facing you is in the market. It's financial neglect. It's spending 20 years building an exceptional career, never building the structure around it. And at Rhythm, we help specialists build the right structure so that one day your wealth becomes as impressive as your career. And that's the difference.